Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're looking at the THINKWARE ARC900, a premium dual-channel dash cam designed around 4K recording up front, 2K recording in the rear, Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors, HDR, GPS, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and a built-in touchscreen. So, is this product really worth buying? And what do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? Let's break it down. The ARC900 is built as a two-camera system, giving you simultaneous coverage of the road ahead and behind your vehicle. The front camera records at 4K Ultra HD, which means 3,840 by 2160 pixels, while the rear camera records at 2K QHD or 2,560 by 1440 pixels. That difference is important because the front camera gets a much higher pixel count for capturing details farther ahead, while the rear camera still provides a substantial amount of resolution for vehicles, road markings, and events behind you. THINKWARE pairs these cameras with Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, specifically the IMX678 in the front and IMX675 in the rear. And this is where the ARC900 gets particularly interesting. Resolution is only one part of dash cam image quality. The sensor matters too, especially when lighting conditions become difficult. The ARC900 uses HDR on both cameras to balance bright and dark areas, while THINKWARE's Super Night Vision 4.0 is designed to improve low-light recording. In practical terms, the combination is intended to preserve useful road detail when you're moving between sunlight and shadows, driving through city streets at night, or dealing with headlights and other bright sources in the frame. There's also a useful recording speed option. The ARC900 supports 60 frame per second recording when using its 2K front and full HD rear settings. Higher frame rates mean more individual frames are captured every second, which can make fast-moving footage appear smoother and help reduce motion blur. For the maximum resolution setup, the front camera records 4K at 30 frames per second, and the rear camera records 2K at 30 frames per second. Testing information has also reported front 4K footage at roughly 31.95 megabits per second and rear 2K footage at roughly 15.98 megabits per second in continuous recording. Why is this such a popular type of setup? Because a dual dash cam isn't simply about recording what's happening in front of you. It creates a much wider evidence picture. If something happens ahead, you have the front recording. If an event develops behind the vehicle, the rear camera provides another angle. Add GPS, and the system can associate driving footage with location and speed information, giving your recordings additional context. The ARC900 also has something you don't always see on modern dash cams: a built-in 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen. The display has a 480 by 320 resolution and lets you access settings, view live footage, and play recordings directly from the camera. That means you don't necessarily need to pull out your phone every time you want to check a clip or change a setting. Speaking of your phone, the ARC900 includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi and works with the THINKWARE Dashcam Link app. THINKWARE says its 5 GHz connection can provide transfers up to 3 times faster than 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi under suitable conditions. That's particularly useful when you're dealing with 4K video files, because high-resolution recordings can consume a lot of storage and take longer to transfer. The camera also supports USB Type-C data transfer, giving you another way to move footage and manage files. Storage is another important part of the system. The package you're looking at includes a 64 GB memory card, which gives you immediate storage for recordings without requiring a separate purchase. The ARC900 can also support higher capacity microSD cards, and recent testing has demonstrated operation with a 512 GB card. That makes the system much more flexible if you're recording frequently or want more room for high-resolution footage. Now let's talk about parking surveillance, because this is where the ARC900 moves beyond being just a driving recorder. With the appropriate power installation, its parking system can monitor the vehicle while it's parked. THINKWARE provides several parking approaches, including motion and impact detection, time-lapse recording, and energy-saving operation. Smart parking mode can also reduce power consumption when the vehicle interior becomes too hot, helping the system manage operation in high-temperature conditions. The product is also described as LTE compatible, meaning the ARC900 can work with THINKWARE's compatible LTE module for connected features. This expands the system beyond local recording and smartphone Wi-Fi access, giving compatible installations additional connectivity options. Installation is designed to be fairly complete out of the box. The package includes the front and rear cameras, a 64GB microSD card, and a hardwiring cable, so the system is equipped for a more permanent vehicle installation. The hardwiring setup is particularly relevant if you want to take advantage of parking surveillance rather than limiting the dash cam to when the vehicle is running. So, is the THINKWARE ARC900 really worth considering? If your priority is a feature-rich dual-camera system with high-resolution front recording, a strong 2K rear camera, dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, night recording technology, GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, USB-C connectivity, a physical touchscreen, and advanced parking functionality, the ARC900 puts a lot of technology into one package. Recent listings have placed the system around the $390 range, although actual pricing can vary by retailer, bundle, and promotion. What do all those numbers actually mean in everyday use? The 4K front resolution gives you 3,840 by 2160 pixels to work with. The 2K rear camera provides 2,560 by 1440. 30 frames per second is used for the maximum resolution configuration, and the 60 frames per second option prioritizes smoother motion at reduced resolution. The Sony STARVIS 2 sensors focus on image capture quality, while HDR and Super Night Vision address challenging lighting. Then GPS, Wi-Fi, USB-C, the touchscreen, and parking modes handle everything around the actual recording process. In other words, the ARC900 isn't built around just one headline specification. It's an entire recording and monitoring system. And that's ultimately why the THINKWARE ARC900 stands out. It combines high-resolution dual recording with modern image sensors, connectivity, direct touchscreen control, GPS information, and parking surveillance in a single setup. For drivers looking for a technologically advanced dash cam that can continuously document the road ahead and behind, the ARC900 offers a comprehensive feature set built around detail, accessibility, and connected functionality. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.